How to enable voice access mode on Samsung. Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can easily enable voice access on Samsung. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up your settings menu. And from here you need to go ahead and scroll down until you find something called accessibility settings that you will find under general management. Go over there and here you can find interaction and dexterity. So you just tap on it, and then right under assistant menu, you'll have your voice access. You can go ahead and tap on it. To enable voice access, you can just go ahead and toggle the option on at the top, and then tap on allow. And what it does is it's going to turn on the voice access. And as you can see here, you need to set up your voice access in order to help your phone understand your speaking. So just go ahead and tap on agree, then tap on agree again, tap on allow, and then from here you can just tap on done. Now, as you can see here, there are some listening preferences. You can just keep tapping continue down below, and you can find all of these instructions right over here. So you can say show labels to learn the names of the icons below and all of these stuffs. Keep tapping continue, and then now tap on finish. Once you're done setting up, you can just tap on and say open tutorial, and a voice access will understand itself. As you can see, on my notification bar, voice access setting has been turned on and it has been started. So if I just say go back, it's gonna just go back from my screen, just like so. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.